Hey, what's going on? My name is Paul Farmer, and today I'll be sharing with you what I believe to be one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners that I've seen. And I'm going to be going over some of the reasons why I believe it to be really great for beginners. So if you're a beginner, stay tuned. If you've been struggling to make money online, stay tuned. Even if you're a veteran, stay tuned, because this could definitely benefit you as well. Okay, so before I get to that, I just want to draw your attention to this. I actually, with this program, I documented my very first month with this program. In the very first video, I said what I was going to make before I even made it. Okay, before I even made it, I said what I was going to make. And then I documented week by week exactly what I did to make the sales I made. So you can watch that entire series, get some ideas. The last video, I talk about lessons I learned during this process. So definitely check that out. So let's get to it. So why do I believe that this is one of the best affiliate marketing programs for beginners? So just a little bit about myself. If you don't know, I've been marketing online since 2012. I've been free of a job since 2013. My last day working was in 2013. It's like June, end of the school year, because I used to be a teacher. I actually came on to online marketing in 2012 is when I started. After I was laid off from my teaching job, I was actually laid off for a couple of years before I took the plunge. But I'm so happy I did, because I've been learning so much. It's been able to free me from having to go to a 9-to-5 job every day. And I've learned, like I said, I've developed so much as a person just from being involved in this industry. Okay, so. And what people typically don't know, especially beginners, people that are new, they don't realize like how simple it is for you to actually go and create a full-time income online. It's really not that complicated, depending on how much you want to make, of course, but it's not that complicated. And it's not anywhere near what many people believe. So that's me, okay? So why is this such a great program for beginners? First of all, let's start it off, okay? No setup process, or very little setup process. So you don't have to get all bogged down in the setup process. Oh, I got to set up this page and that page and do all this extra stuff. No, all you're doing is you're going to have people, someone's going to set up the website for you. Once it's done, and you're off and running. There's no monthly payment required. Now, what's great about this, especially if you're a beginner, is you don't have the stress of having to pay a monthly payment. And I know a lot of people, they have a problem with that, which I get it, because you're new. You haven't built that belief. You haven't actually seen results happen for you yet. So having that monthly payment to you is an expense, not an asset, where it's an asset to me, because I make many times more than what I would pay monthly. So that's, but this one, no monthly. You don't have to worry about the monthly. It's done. That's a very low starting cost. So you can start at a very low cost. We're not talking thousands of dollars to get started. We're not talking break the bank. Very low starting cost. Again, not a lot of stress, right? Not a big gamble, not a big risk, not going to put you in a hole. So that's great. Simple and effective training. Really important to have simple and effective training, because like for me, for example, when I first started online, I was so lost. I was so frustrated. I wasted so much time. I wasted so much money because I didn't have simple and effective training. I had a lot of training, but I did not know what to do. I didn't know how to put it all together. So I struggled for about 2 years before I started putting it together. High ROI. So what's great about this program is this program actually pays 100% commissions. So literally one sale you break even, 2 sales you're in profit, over and over again. So that can really, first of all, I don't see that too many places. Like you can't go sell a car and make 100% back, right? It's not going to happen. You're not going to buy a car and then go sell it for the same price, right? That you paid for it. That's not going to happen. So this is something that could really help you get ahead fast. It could help you get some money coming in. So maybe, pay off bills, take out vacation you've been putting off, take some stress off of you financially, There's a lot of great reasons to have a high ROI because literally you're in profit very fast. You know, a regular business, a brick and mortar business, it's going to take years and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get it off the ground and become profitable. With this, literally one sale, you're in profit. Well, nearly profit because there's an admin fee of $25. Second sale, you're in profit. And from then on, you're making 100% commissions. Doing the same things over and over, rinse and repeat. Very simple stuff, okay? And the last thing I want to draw your attention to here is the bonus. Now, we have a number of bonuses, but I really want to go over this one bonus because this is a time-sensitive bonus. Depending on when you're watching this video, it might be too late. I don't know. But we have a challenge group where we have a multiple seven-figure earner who's teaching exactly what she's doing to make sales daily, multiple sales daily, without any paid advertising, without chasing friends and family, without doing TikTok and all this other stuff. Very simple strategy that's free to do. Don't cost you anything, but it will have you literally flipping these commissions over and over, 100% commissions over and over, okay? So I'm actually going to come back to that just a little bit later. Right now what I want to do is kind of go over the product. So let's go over the product real quick. So this is actually the sales page that you get. Remember I said, if you go here, I said no setup process or very little. So there's really no setup process here. All you're doing is you're purchasing a website. You're going to give them your information and they're going to go ahead and plug that information into the website. You're going to get a website just like this. Has a video that explains what it is, has all the text, will have your picture, have your social media, right? And everything else is the same pretty much. So it's a very simple process. You're not creating the website, you're not trying to design it, you're not setting up like autoresponders and all this stuff. This is done for you. All you do is you tell them what you want and they set it up for you, okay? So and this is all here for you, okay? So that's that. And it has the payment button so people can come and they can pay right from this page. No monthly fee required. So let's go over this, okay? So we have our starter level, which is just $50. Remember I said it's a very low cost. Low starting cost is only $50 plus $25, $75. So for each one of these that I show you, just add another 25. So 25 will cover everything. So we're at 75, 175, and 325 total done. The admin fee pays to get your website done, what we're on right now. All right, so I'm going to really talk about the 300 Pro level because the Pro level is where you get all the products. It's a one-time admin fee. You get all the products you'll be able to earn on all levels. $50, $150, and $300 commissions over and over again. And you get all of the products. All of the products listed on this page are included. Whereas if you went this route, you would get some of them. What's listed here is what you would get. The other drawback about starting at a lower level is, let's say you have a $50 payment you're at the $50 starter level. And because the majority of people that get started with this are doing the 300, because the 300 is so little, right? But it, 300 adds up nicely. Like people love this. You're going to forfeit that 300. It's going to go to the person that has the 300. Okay, so you'll lose out. You'll be leaving money on the table. That's why I always say, if you can, I mean honestly, let's just be real. Let's be real, okay? If you're serious, you're going to find a way to do it. You're going to find a way. So you can go out, you can borrow the money, whatever. I'm not going to go into all that right now, but we're only talking $325 to make $300 commissions over and over. And you can make 50 and 150 and 300, okay? So that's all I'm going to say about that. You have bonuses that come with this 300 as well. So this is like, if you want to work with a multiple seven-figure earner, learn what she knows, have her basically mentor you for free, then do this. So that's that. Let's go into the back office. So this is what it looks like. This is the product itself, and I have everything. I have the Pro level. So you can see, you know, create your welcome to the training. You can join some Facebook groups here, how to set up your website here, and then right on the side here is all the training, all the different modules. And like if I click on one, let me see if, let's see here. So you see there's different modules within, different trainings within each one. Art of Persuasion, 200 written ads. And what's great about these ads is they teach you how to take these ads and go put them on like classified ad sites or on Facebook, social media. They show you how to do that. And I have people that are doing that. They're using classified ads, free classified ads, and they're getting leads and sales from doing that. And that's a very simple thing to do. So as you can see, we have Facebook Marketing Mastery, Craigslist Marketing, Instagram Marketing, YouTube Automation, TikTok Marketing, Automate Your Business, and then the extra bonus hotel and restaurant voucher. Okay, so that's what you get for the 300. Again, if you go to this page, it's going to list everything here, or you can watch a video right here and learn what all the products are, what everything is. Okay, so that's that. I do want to do one more thing, and I want to go over the bonus. Okay, now this bonus is limited time, only till the 9th. So if you're seeing it after, this bonus will probably be off the table. We do have some extra groups as well that you get access to even at the $50 level. But for this particular bonus, it is limited because we want to have time to work with you, right? We want you to become very successful. The goal here is to get you to $10,200 a month, up to $30,000 a month in this program. Okay, so the goal is like $10,200 a month. Obviously, if you're new, that's a big goal, but you're going to learn the strategies, you're going to learn the techniques, you're going to have others here to help you and support you along the way, and the chances are you do what's being taught, you're going to be well on your way to doing that. Okay, so this group, I'm just going to go through it kind of slowly, well, actually kind of quickly, because there's a lot in here, and this is actually a private group, so I don't want to give away too much here. But one of the first things you get when you come into this group is this guide. You actually fill out a Google form, and the guide literally lays out specifically exactly what to do each week. Exactly what to do. So if you're first starting, this is what you do for your first 2 weeks. You hit your 3rd week, this is what you do now. And it's very simple. There's no paid marketing here. There's no chasing people here, but it's all laid out for you. And there's all kinds of examples of like posts you can use. So literally we're basically copy and pasting posts that are done for us, doing a few other little things for people to see the posts, and then people are coming in and they're signing up. Okay, so that's what's kind of happening here. But you can see there's a lot of training in here already. There's live training, and we haven't even started our 90-day challenge yet. This is already in here. This is pre-90-day challenge. When the 90-day challenge actually starts, it's going to be live training, probably more training coming in. This is just a massive bonus that you get completely free when you get started at the pro level. Okay, now let's say it's after the 9th, because I'm going to address that. It's after the 9th. This bonus will probably be gone. But again, we do have some other bonuses. I also have a private group, a coaching group that I put together where I help my pro members. So pro members, I help them navigate exactly what we're doing here. So I go over it live. I have my own recorded training as well. So what I learn, I bring over there. So that you'll have access to that no matter what the date is, okay? But if you want to be part of the challenge, 9/9 is the cutoff, 9/9/22, okay? So with that, that's all I got. I hope you got value. If you'd like to learn more, just go ahead and go to the link in the description. Fill in your name. It's going to take you to this page here. You can go ahead and you can watch the video. You can read through. Definitely reach out to me if you have any questions. Also, just to let you know, I did do a couple videos here. Let's see. If I go back one, I did a couple videos here. See right here, earn 300 and what to expect. So you can watch those videos as well. And I go in depth into the program as well. Okay, so that's all I got. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you next time.